Hello everyone, this is Maths class. Today we are discussing exponents and powers. As you all know, in squares and cube we have already discussed some portion of it. Let's continue. Any number multiplied by itself becomes a to the power of number to the power. We can call it a square. 3 times multiplied by self becomes cube. Number to the power 3. We can directly call it a cube. If a is multiplied by itself 4 times, what will happen? A to the power 4 and so on. Similarly, 5 times a to the power 5. If number is not multiplied by anything, it is simply multiplied by 1. That is, if it is 2 times multiplied, 1 is still there. When nobody is there, 1 is by default multiplied. If number is then what is a to the power 0? If nothing is multiplied, no portion of number is multiplied by 1. It is a to the power 0. Powers can be negative also. Negative powers means like this. Yeah, powers can be fractions also. This portion is known as power. Sometimes we also write is a to the power. In scientific calculator, this denomination is used. This notation is used. Oh, let's leave it at that. Some examples I take. How do you calculate? Suppose 2 square you have to calculate. Simply multiply, you will get it. Cube you have to calculate. Simply multiply, you will get it. So, and what is 1 square? 1 into 1. 1 only. 1 cube also 1. So 1, any number will be 1. Next we continue. 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. How to multiply is simple. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 also can be calculated easily. It is 30. Same any number you can multiply. Suppose 3 is there. 3 cube you have to calculate. That is equal to 20. I think that now you understood how to calculate these numbers with powers. Now, what are the operations and what are the rules by which they operate? Generally, in these type of things, addition, subtraction are less used and multiply, divide are more used. Although we can add, but there is no such rule, no such special rule. Only 2 cube we will write and 3 square. Yeah, we will calculate this and write. We will calculate this and then write this. It is simple. In any way we can calculate. Similarly, minus also. Same thing. Plus minus is simple. Multiply, divide whenever, right? And powers play their role. How do I get this? This means 3 times 2. And this means 5 times 2. The 5 plus the 3. Total what? 8 times 2. There is simple rule in multiplication. Any number to the power a, any number to the power b. If they are in multiply, powers will be added. Number to the power a, multiply. And number to the power b, number to the power a plus b. Similarly, in division, number to the power a divided by number to the power b. Or if it is like this, it will become number to the power a minus b. Let's take some example. Three square is 3 into 3. 3 cube is 3 into 3. What is total? And if we go by the rule, it will also be same. Next, let's consider division. We can write this term as 3 cube by 3 square. Now we can write this. After some cancellation, we will get become like this. Where whenever number have no power, means power is by default. Now you understood? Yeah. Basic close is simple. Number to the power 0 is 1. And number to the power 1 is number itself. And so, in these two rules, first option I write on next page. Number to the power 0 is 1. It means nothing is multiplied. No portion of number is multiplied to 1. Number to the power 1 is unbalanced. These two you remember, then exponents can be easily solved. Let's suppose 3 to the power 27 divided by 3 to the power 27. If you know the rule, you can easily calculate. The answer will come as 3. Otherwise, you will write 327 times, then 326 times, then 26 times it will be cancelled and waste. Leave 1, 3 only will be left. Next, let's suppose multiple fractions are there. What will you do? One more is there. And if both numbers are different, but power is same, then power can be common. Let's suppose 2 to the power 3. Then you can multiply this, can be 6 to the power 3. You understood? 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Power 3 comes out common. 2 into 3 is 6. Total will be 6 to the power 3. can calculate by calculator? Answer will come C. About earlier rule, I told that powers are added and multiplied. It does not apply to different numbers. If these things are equal to something, it will be like next topic. Let's suppose question is like this. What will you do? You can write this as this. In multiply and divide, power can be taken common. So this is the correct answer. Otherwise, you can further want to solve it. It will come 8 by 27. From this step also directly you can go to this step. With practice, you will automatically learn shortcuts. No need to worry about anything. Mm. If you find any example, you can share in the comments. You can take that example from next class or any other class. I am teaching you basics because everyone knows what is correct, what is wrong. Everyone has already read basic maths. We just want to solve questions with the basics, with the help of basics. Let's suppose you are a question. What will you do? Simple. One simple question is explained it all. Sorry, one simple solution is explained it all. After that, whatever get cancelled, cancel it. Remaining, you can easily calculate. Total will be 3 by 15. Wrong, 3 by 10. But assume that you cannot do that. Let's suppose in any case, although you can easily do this, but if the powers are in large numbers, like 3 to the power 13, 2 to the power 12, 15 to the power 12, what will you? Then simple choice is just whatever powers are same, that you consider. And you can easily find it. If you solve this, you can put it to the power 1, or to the minus 1, half to the minus 1. Take the same power common, multiply. Answer will come same. Anyhow, okay. Any other questions? And let's take it. This topic is sufficient, I think. We will go to next topic, next class.